Welcome to Happiness Potential, the channel of permanent vitality. Now we are talking about ulcer. You're an entrepreneur, a hard-working individual, a CEO. You have a great objective, great goal to attain, and great motivation to succeed. But you feel some pain in the area of the bowel. It might be ulcer. So there are two types of ulcer. Ulcer in the stomach area, which is called gastric ulcer, and ulcer in the small intestine, which is called the duodenal ulcer. It is the first part of the small intestine, the duodenum. So there are 4 times more cases of duodenal ulcer than gastric ulcer. So the small intestine is more damaged in case of ulcer, 4 times more. And there are 4 times more victims are men than women. So men, this video is for you, more for you. There are 9 factors that contribute to the formation of ulcers. The first one is the integrity of the digestive tract, the integrity of the tissues of the digestive tract. What do you eat? When do you eat? How fast do you eat? This has an influence on how well is functioning your digestive tract. The second one is the presence of a bacteria called Helicobacter pylori. 90 to 100% of the people who have a duodenal ulcer have this bacteria, and 70% of the people with gastric ulcer have this bacteria. The third factor is the production of gastric acid. Our pH range, meaning the acidity, is from 1 to 3 inside of the stomach. And for people who don't produce enough gastric acid, they have challenges digesting the food, meaning the mackerel, the salmon, the chicken, the pork. Not enough hydrochloric acid means not enough of the pepsin, which is an enzyme which breaks down the protein, the complex proteins in the meat, in the fish. So the fourth factor is the intake of aspirin, the intake of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. And these drugs the consumption of these drugs leads. The fourth factor is the intake of aspirin and non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. They are supposed to fight against inflammation, but they increase the risk of suffering from ulcer. Factor number 5, the intake of alcohol. Too much alcohol drinking, too much ulcer. Factor number 6, the intake of allergy foods, for instance, the milk. It is written in a paper of the British Medical Journal published in 1986 that the more we drink the milk, the more we are subject to have ulcer. Factor number 7, not enough antioxidants, not enough nutrients to protect the digestive tract, meaning vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin C, or the zinc. These nutrients are critical to protect the lining of the digestive tract. Factor number 8, the stress. People talk about stress, but it's not so much the stress, but the ability to control your emotion. More than that, more the ability to control our emotions. And the people who repress the emotions are more able to suffer from the ulcer. They don't express themselves and they keep that in them constantly. They don't express the joy, they don't react, they don't take action, and what happens? It burns inside. So not so much the stress, how to react to the stress. In end effect, we have the last factor, smoking. The more we smoke, the more we are subject to have ulcer. So these were the 9 factors that will influence the formation of ulcer. Thank you for watching. We encourage you to subscribe to this channel, Happiness Potential, and to live with permanent vitality. Thank you very much. Live with permanent vitality. Yes.